Are you looking for the best budget CPUs? In this video we will look at some of best budget CPUs. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. Looking to play PC games without a graphics card? AMD's Ryzen 5 5600G CPU and its integrated graphics give cash-strapped gamers a superb, value-focused option that Intel can't match. Core count: 6. Thread count: 12. Base clock frequency: 3.9 GHz. Maximum boost clock: 4.4 GHz. Unlocked multiplier: socket compatibility. AMD AM4. Lithography: 7 nanometers. L3 cache amount: 16 megabytes. Thermal design power (TDP) rating: 65 watts. Integrated graphics: AMD Radeon RX Vega 7. Integrated graphics base clock: 1900 MHz. Bundled cooler: strong gaming performance on integrated graphics. Priced aggressively in AMD's own CPU stack. Regularly beats out competition from Intel. Wraith Stealth cooler included in the box. Compatible with Radeon software suite. Slightly slower integrated graphics gaming performance than Ryzen 7 5700G. Limited motherboard compatibility at launch. Number 4. Intel Core i3-10100. Intel's entry-level Core i3-10100 CPU runs cool, and while it was outclassed by AMD chips during its prime, it has found new life supporting systems with dedicated graphics. Core count: 4. Thread count: 8. Base clock frequency: 3.6 GHz. Maximum boost clock: 4.3 GHz. Unlocked multiplier: socket compatibility. Intel LGA 1151. Lithography: 14 nanometers. L3 cache amount: 6 megabytes. Thermal design power (TDP) rating: 65 watts. Integrated graphics: Intel UHD Graphics 630. Integrated graphics base clock: 350 MHz. Bundled cooler: runs cool. Has integrated graphics versus non-G series AMD Ryzens. Here in early 2021, you can buy one without a search party. Comparatively slow results for its price range. Intel UHD Graphics 630 showing its age. Requires a platform upgrade to LGA 1200. Number 3. AMD Ryzen 5 5500. AMD's Ryzen 5 5500 delivers decent performance for non-gaming tasks, but it trails slightly costlier AMD and Intel CPUs in our benchmarks, making it a second-tier pick. Core count: 6. Thread count: 12. Base clock frequency: 3.6 GHz. Maximum boost clock: 4.2 GHz. Unlocked multiplier: socket compatibility. AMD AM4. Lithography: 7 nanometers. L3 cache amount: 16 megabytes. Thermal design power (TDP) rating: 65 watts. Integrated graphics: none. Integrated graphics base clock. Bundled cooler. Low $159 price point. Decent performance in CPU-intensive tasks. A step down in gaming performance. Surpassed by slightly more expensive chips. Number 2. Intel Core i5-10400. Upgrading to any Comet Lake CPU has its budget and platform dead-end implications, but for a 6-core chip with gaming chops, the Core i5-10400 is as good as it gets in Intel's 10th generation stack. Core count 6. Thread count 12. Base clock frequency 2.9 GHz. Maximum boost clock 4.3 GHz. Unlocked multiplier. Socket compatibility. Intel LGA 1200. Lithography 14 nanometers. L3 cache amount 12 megabytes. Thermal design power (TDP) rating 65 watts. Integrated graphics. Intel UHD Graphics 630. Integrated graphics base clock 350 MHz. Bundled cooler. Decent frame rates for a mid-range CPU in gaming runs. Low TDP. Workable bundled cooler. Slower than comparatively priced AMD options in nearly every CPU-centric test. LGA 1200 adoption is mandatory. Integrated graphics are there, but still Intel UHD graphics. Number 1. AMD Ryzen 7 5700G. AMD's exceptionally fast, highly discounted Ryzen 7 5700G is an integrated graphics-equipped, 8-core workhorse CPU of major proportions, slaying gaming records with its Radeon graphics silicon alone. Core count 8. Thread count 16. Base clock frequency 3.8 GHz. Maximum boost clock 4.6 GHz. Unlocked multiplier. Socket compatibility. AMD AM4. Lithography 7 nanometers. L3 cache amount 16 megabytes. Thermal design power (TDP) rating 65 watts. Integrated graphics. AMD Radeon RX Vega 8. Integrated graphics base clock 2000 MHz. Bundled cooler. Very fast gaming results on integrated graphics. Solid value for the level of performance. Runs cool under stress testing. Unlike Ryzen 4000G chips, available for individual purchase. Wraith Stealth Cooler included in box. 8 cores will be overkill for some gamers and buyers. Performance in gaming with a dedicated GPU is lacking for the price. Limited motherboard compatibility at launch.